Hey guys, this is a quick little video on how to make your command manager tab pop back up. Maybe you guys click something, you don't know what you clicked, or I don't know, right? It's really easy to make it come back up. All you gotta do is just hit features, and you gotta hit this little pin right here, pin the command manager, and that's it. Okay, so maybe to know you're actually missing your command manager, say you want to make a sketch. You're like, oh hey, let's make a sketch, right? You already picked your plane. Like, I want to draw a circle here, right? Press OK. You can see my thing is gone. Now I want to make a line, right? It's gone. It's annoying. It's annoying to have to do this. Do this all the time, right? Like, all right. So this is annoying, right? And you want this to be permanently there. So all you gotta do is just hit that little pin button right there, and it stays there. Okay. Doing this. What's it called? Going to customize the menu. Sorry, wrong button. Go in here where you're trying to customize this, and then you want to lock command manager and toolbars. That's not going to do it, so you just have to pin it. It's really easy. You might have messed up accidentally clicking around here, touching things you probably don't know about. Maybe you weren't looking. So yeah, that's how you fix it. Quick little minute and a half video. See ya.